Today, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI as a beginner. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor designed to help you write, understand, edit, and debug code faster. It works like a modern coding editor, but with built-in AI tools for chat, code suggestions, and project-wide assistance. Cursor's official Quick Start recommends starting by signing in, asking Cursor to explain your code base, making a small edit, and reviewing the result. First, go to the Cursor website and download the app for your operating system. Install Cursor, then open it on your computer. If you already use Visual Studio Code, you can import your settings, extensions, and themes so the editor feels familiar. Next, open a project folder. You can open an existing coding project or create a new folder for practice. Now open the AI chat panel. Ask Cursor something simple, like, explain this project in simple terms. Cursor will read the code context and give you a summary. To make changes, select a piece of code and use the inline AI edit feature. For example, you can ask, make this function cleaner and add comments. Cursor will suggest an edit, and you can review it before accepting. You can also ask Cursor to fix errors, create new files, write functions, or explain confusing code. The best beginner workflow is simple. Ask, review, test, then accept the changes only if they make sense. Do not blindly trust every AI suggestion. Always run your project and check the result. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Cursor AI as a beginner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.